Hello, class. This is Professor Wilson. Welcome to CTC 101. I will be your instructor for this term. Just a few things of note. First, let me just say congratulations on your acceptance to post. There's three things that our students that are successful in this class tend to do. I think the first thing is submit all your assignments timely, which really means meet all deadlines. The second thing is actively engage. Really critical in an online class to be able to actively engage with your classmates, with me, to follow up on your initial submission, just to make sure that you're maximizing your grade in the course. And the third, but certainly not least, is to utilize the resources that Post has to offer. Post offers a lot of great resources like TutorMe, Academic Writer, Grammarly, just to help you really improve your skill and to be as best as you could be. So I look forward to you successfully completing term 3. Again, congratulations on your acceptance to Post, and I'm excited to see you sort of finish the term successfully and to pursue your academic and career goals. Take care. We'll see you soon on Monday, October 24th when our course opens. Go Eagles.